How's it going, guys? Just down here this afternoon in Patong. Just walking the streets and having a look around. Just waiting to wait for the stalls to open up with all the hot food. We're gonna have a bit of a feed. We're gonna try a few different things. Yeah, pretty keen to get stuck into some Thai food. Show me lobster shirt. Check out Squiddy's lobster shirt he's got. It's his holiday shirt. Oh, stand up so they can see. Oh, nice lobster shirt. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty full on down here. That's Bangalore Road down there. That's where all the action is. That's the thick of it. Sorry, Brad. Alright, I'll see you soon. I'll show you some of the food. Woo! Down in the markets, having a bit of a feed. Got a bit of some sort of chicken skewer, pork skewer, and a beef, and a big cob of corn. It's well salted. Not bad though. We're just having this Nutella and banana crepe. Looking pretty good. What do you reckon, Squid, aka Mr. Lobster Lord?
Sorry, grab his that one.
Do you want to go and have a walk?
No mate, they'll bite you.
I see some.
Oh,
Ew! Ew!
What is it? What is it?
I want to foot. I want foot. I want
foot. Alright, Ol's obsessed with them break dancers back there. Let's give it to it.
Rip it up. Go handstand now.
Squid maniac.
I do another one.
You're a breakdance extraordinaire.
Another one.
Really?
Here.
And back into it. Oh, worm. Oh, shit, yeah. Leg slapper. Whoa! Good afternoon, guys. Just having a swim at the pool. Just did a bit of gym. Bloody char grilled from the other day, from yesterday. Legs like, oh yeah, sexy legs. They're char grilled to the max. So yeah, that kid playing with Vol had to, Cal had to bloody turn into Grumpy Cal, and I gave him a bit of stroking yesterday. He was dragging all under the water. Gave him a bit of a growl. Oh shit. He just keeps hanging around like a bad smell. Here he comes for another bloody round. Great. Alrighty, going to the big Budda. Just waiting for the taxi. Yeah, boy.
Can we go to Big Budda about
down here at the big Budda, well up here at the big Budda. Just setting the drone up, got a bit of footage and a few photos. How good is this view though? There's a big Budda up there. Jessica. Squid rat in there. Oh shit, webs at me, mate. Boy, wait, get back here. So yeah, sort of run out of time. The driver's waiting on us, so we better get out of here. But no, it's worth coming up for, definitely. It's awesome. Alrighty, better make tracks. Time to hit the road.
When white house, we have 8 baked beans, and when I'm done, I'd have chips after my baked beans.
Chips.
Yeah.
Do you love your chips?
And not a ones a chalk.
Not the cooked ones.
And make stir up and make biggies and for my dad to take to work.
Okay.
What's going to be now?
What are we going to put in the biggie?
Lots of stuff. Lots of food.
Like what? Coconut.
Egg.
Yep. Flour.
Lois.
Flour.
No, that don't help it.
Lollies, what are you putting in? What are you making?
You're making your biscuits for work.
Do you put lollies in your biscuits?
What about oats?
hair and oats and Wheaties and white bubbles.
Oh.
And chips.
No.
No, they talk chips.
No, do you want to?
Alrighty, how you going, guys? Just going out to one of these food markets here in Patong. Try to get some bit of street food. Don't know what we're gonna have yet, but we're sure we'll find something interesting. I'll give you a little bit of a look around as well. Yee-hoo! Alrighty, just ordered our dinner and a couple of drinks, so just waiting for that to come. We ordered out from there. We got like a chicken noodle sort of stir fry thing, and like a tom yum spicy soup with prawns, I think.
What do we get?
Chips.
We didn't get chips again.
Chicken.
Silly Billy.
Everything.
No, we didn't. We got feisty noodles for you.
No.
No feisty noodles.
No. Ow.
And we got a coconut and a watermelon juice coming. Alright, how's that? Pretty good? Oh, the watermelon juice is delicious as, so good. That looks really good. So that one was 100 baht, so which is like $4 Australian, I think.
You could get
50 baht for that, so about $2. And 50 baht again for the coconut, which was, yeah, about $2. Just waiting on me soup to come now. Yeah, boy. Oh, got the soup here. I'll have to order seconds, I reckon. Alrighty, check out me soup. She's a bit spicy. Don't know what the hell that is, but anyway.
Mum.
No, kind of crunchy.
Mum.
Yeah.
Too spicy. Very spicy.
Should we do milk then?
It's good, but very spicy. It's not even spicy at all.
You're crying.
Such flavour.
Oh, you do one of these? You good?
You got all?
Oh my god. It's so good. Try it.
Simple. Short piece example.
Example.
Oh yeah. Now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn it, it's cool. Give us another hit of that.
Oh, they were watching. Can't grab it. Oh. Grab it.
Too much flavour, squiddy. Can't even handle it.
The power helps it off.